Hello dear friends, today I would like to invite you how to crochet such beauty. It looks like a branch. Also I will show you how to add beads in crocheting. Such cord can be used to create bracelet, belt, necklace or decoration for hair or like a garland for decoration in your home. Or you can make one branch and get earring or pendant or keychain. You can change any tools for this project. Please don't be afraid to experiment and you will get always unique own project. It takes over 10 or 15 minutes and you will get unique project made by your hand. Please use your imagination. This is my own pattern. You can find some videos with such kind of motifs on my YouTube channel. Please join me and you will know how to make it step by step. Please don't forget to like my videos and write comment below the video what you will get. For this project, I'm going to use a ball of yarn, crochet hook and beads. For this project I'm using crochet hook 2 millimeters and a ball of yarn 55 cotton and 45 acrylic, 160 meters in 50 grams. You can use any kind of yarn and any kind of crochet hook. And also before the work you should thread beads onto the working yarn. I begin from the chain. I pull a little bit. Then I'm working with chain more. Draw 3 huge beads. Then pull up the working loop to the level of the bead and make a chain with bead. So yarn over the hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through like this. So my chain with bead is ready. First one is ready, then continue. Pull up a loop to the level of the bead and make a chain with bead. The second one is done and let's crochet the last one. Pull up a loop to the level of the bead and make a chain with bead. Here what I have. Now I turn the work like this. So I'm making a chain and pull up a loop to the level of the puff stitch. I'm going to work with 9 strings. So it means I'm making 3 strings into the each chain with bead. So let's crochet the puff stitch, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain, pull up a loop 1. I hold all loops with my finger, make the second one, the third one. So I have got 3 strings. Continue with the next 3 into the next chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. I hold all loops with my finger. So here what I have. Continue with the next 3. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop 1, 2 and 3. Here what I have, I hold all loops with my finger, and I remind you in total it should be 9 of them. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. My segment is ready. And I remind you, such kind of segment can be perfect to create earring or pendant, or it can be part of the keychain. So I continue working on my cord. Also, it can be like a garland for decoration of your home. Let's crochet the second segment. Make a chain, then chain of 3 with beads. Draw 3 beads, pull up a loop to the level of the bead, make a chain, continue, pull up a loop to the level of the bead, make a chain, 2 and 3. Well done. Then I turn the work and make a puff stitch made of 9 strings. Make a chain, so yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3. Continue with the next 3 into the next chain stitch, 1, 2, 3, and work with the last 3 strings into the next chain stitch with bead. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3. I have got 9 strings. I hold all loops with my finger, so then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. My second segment is ready. So I remind you, my segment consists of puff stitch made of 9 strings. Let's crochet the third segment of the cord. Chain, then draw 3 beads, pull up a loop to the level of the bead, make the first chain, then pull up a loop to the level of the bead, make the second one, and pull up a loop to the level of the bead, make the third one. Turn the work and make a puff stitch made of 9 strings. Then chain and begin the puff stitch. Pull up a loop to the level of the puff stitch and continue working. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have got 6 of them, and let's crochet the last 3. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. So my third segment is done. Here what I have. Then you should crochet such segments as many times as you need for your project. So my cord is done. It consists of 6 segments. I remind you, each segment has a puff stitch made of 9 strings and 3 beads. I remind you, you should experiment with kind of yarn, kind of crochet hook, size of beads, and any tools. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Bye!